Atlas Credit Card Honest Review. So, the first thing that you want to do is understand that the Atlas Credit Card is an unsecured credit option aimed at people who are looking to build or rebuild their credit profile. Over here, one of the main features is that it reports your activity to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. After that, note that it doesn't require a security deposit, which makes it more accessible compared to secured cards. Then, depending on your creditworthiness, the card offers an initial credit limit which may grow over time with responsible usage. Over here, the application process is simple and fully online. After that, you can manage your account through a user-friendly mobile app or website to track your balance, due dates, and more. Let's break it down with a quick pros and cons list. Pros: reports to all three major credit bureaus helps with credit building. No security deposit good for those without upfront funds. Simple online application, fast and easy process. Account management available through mobile and web. Cons: high APRA can be expensive if you carry a balance. May include annual fees depending on your credit profile. No rewards or cashback lacks added purchase value. Limited benefits, no travel or purchase protection perks. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.